In this next video, I want to show that you might want to be switching up your keyword searches and not using the same words all the time. As you read through your articles, you will find more and more words, and you'll start to narrow your search and change it. But for this purposes, we're going to talk about peer-reviewed journals today. What a peer-reviewed journal is when a researcher goes out and does a research study about music and learning and memory. Then they conduct a research project and then they publish their work out to people in the field who review their work and review their study to make sure it follows good science. And then it is published in a journal that is very academic. And so if you are looking in peer-reviewed journals, you are going to find original research that people are conducting right now in your topic area. And I definitely would change your date to find current research, because remember, as a community of scholars, you are going to read this other research and then build upon that, the research of those people. So now I'm not looking in books, I'm not looking in open journals, I'm looking at books that I'm looking for articles that are published in a peer-reviewed journal. And sometimes they are open access and sometimes they are behind a paid version. So I'm kind of interested in this idea of your cognitive function as you get older. So when I click and look into this article here, you'll see that the access to this is available in several different journals, and you can click on any one of them. And so that is a great idea. But I also wanted to point out to you that over here on the right-hand side, the PSU library is finding other articles that are also similar to the one that you are looking for. So maybe after you click here and go to this article, you should come back and look at some of these other related articles. So I think that's a really good idea. And additionally, all the techniques that we were using in the other databases, you should also do here. It's actually showing you the full printed article. It's going to give you a little abstract of what this article is about, and you can decide whether it is helpful. Make sure that you scroll to the end of the article after you're done skimming it and look through all their resources that they have here, the references, and if maybe go back and look at the related items in the search. And then a lot of these articles you can download and save and put into Google Drive right away. And you'll even notice it's here to cite the article. They give you the actual citation. So I'm going to grab this full citation here. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go to my document where I'm keeping track of my sources. I'm going to paste it in here. Now, because these are going to be, they need to be a hanging indent, here's a little trick to show you is select all of your citations. Come up here, indent everything in 1/2 inch, and then grab the top little bar and bring that back to 0. And that is how you do a hanging indent.